Welcome to the International Federation of Rural Surgeons YouTube channel. Today we are going to introduce to you the new program to empower the rural doctors or rural surgeons to perform urology procedures and how we can do it online. If you look at the background, we have been working in rural areas for more than 3 decades. And our experience has been that in any remote area, 5% of all the patients who present any OPD have urology problem. And unfortunately, there are hardly any urologists, even in urban areas. There are probably one urology per 2 lakh or 3 lakh population. But the good thing is that almost half these patients can be managed with simple methods, which are easy to learn and with a very low cost investment. So that is the reason why IFRS decided to take up this initiative of empowering the rural surgeons perform urology procedures with the low cost or ultra low cost laptop cystoscope and be trained with the online proctorship. So who can learn? Almost anyone who's practicing rural areas can learn this. All that is necessary is a very good internet connection, and they should be able to join the Zoom meeting. And the investment, again, we said is very low cost because normally a urology setup is a high investment setup because you need the cystoscope, and the most expensive part is the telescope, and you need the camera, you need the light source, and the entire setup, which is very expensive, and it's not worthwhile investment for people who are not urologists. But here, all we need is a laptop cystoscope, which could cost less than $1,000, and it can be just connected to the laptop and can be used for diagnostic cystoscopies and minor procedures. And the entire course material is available free at One Dot Surgery or in the IFRS websites. So here the various lectures are available. There are links to the YouTube videos, which give the full lectures that were delivered by IFRS through the rural surgeons all over the world. And then there are also summaries of these lectures. So if we don't have much time, we can quickly go through these, along with the patient education videos, so that it's easy to explain to the patient what is happening. And what are the things we can learn? So basically, you'll be able to learn how to do a low cost or low investment urodynamic studies. Normally, the urodynamic machine, which is commercially available, is very, very expensive and available only in few of the urology centers. But we'll teach you how to do exactly the same procedure and arrive at similar conclusions with almost no investment. And also, you'll be able to do diagnostic cystoscopies, which will give the clear picture of what is happening and what causes these symptoms. And if you learn minor procedures like DJ stenting, and as you'll see in some of the things to vaporizing small lesions and so on, these will help you to treat almost half the urology patient that you'll see in a wise way. So how the course is arranged is that as I mentioned earlier, the teaching materials are available free either in the IFRS website or the One Dot Surgery website, along with the links to the various YouTube videos. But once you register, you contact Mr. Keso or write to the email addresses which are given here. Then you'll in addition to the lectures and PowerPoint and other things, you will have the facility for didactic lectures in small groups. So the advantage is that here we can make sure that you're able to understand what is being taught. And also you can ask your questions and doubts in a smaller group. Along with it, we also offer Zoom consultations. So you can call your patients, actual patients, and you can discuss the patient with us. And we'll be able to tell you how to manage it in rural areas. And the third facility that is available is that you can even do Zoom supervision of the procedures. If you go to the IFRS YouTube channel, you'll find how it is done. So you'll be able to do minor procedures like stenting and diagnostic cystoscopies under supervision. And these courses offered by the Association of Rural Surgeons and International Federation of Rural Surgeons. And it's primarily conducted by Rural Surgery Research and Training Center at Jharkhand and India, which is accredited to the Martin Luther University in India. So you get a valid university certification. If you like more details, you can write to either Mr. Keso or the ARSA project guilds at gmail.com. Thank you.